Hi kids, today we are going to learn about parts of Windows 10 desktop. So this is the Windows 10 desktop screen. Desktop area can be divided into 6 parts. First one is desktop icon. Whatever pictures you will see on the screen that are called as a desktop icons. So these all are the desktop icons. Now second one is start button. On left side there will be start button. When you click on this start button, then existing application list will be appear. Third one is search. If you want to search for any particular applications, you will type the name of that application in the search, then you will easily search for the application. Then fourth one is pin application. Pin applications means those applications we are using frequently, we can pin that application on the taskbar of desktop Windows. Then fifth one is taskbar. So this one is the taskbar of Windows 10 desktop. Then last one is the notification area. On right side, this one is the notification area. So in this notification area, you will get the notification related to your internet, volumes, particular applications. That notification will be displayed on this area. So now we are going to see about File Explorer application. File Explorer is an application used by the Windows operating system to locate or browse folders and files. It provides graphical interface to locate a file stored in the computer. When we click on the File Explorer icon in the taskbar, the File Explorer windows open. This File Explorer windows basically divided into 4 parts. First one is File Explorer ribbon. The ribbon contains buttons to perform common tasks with your files and folders. Then second one is navigation pane. This is the navigation pane. It gives you access to the documents, pictures and storage devices. Then third one is frequently used folder section. This one is the frequently used folder section. It gives access to those files and folders which are used most of the times. Fourth one is recent files. This section is present in the lower part of the Windows and it features files and documents that you have opened recently. Now we are going to see about this PC icon. This PC is the source of all resources like pictures, files and folders present in the computer. It also includes drives, control plan and data. You can easily open this PC icon by double click on this icon. These PC icons contain number of drives. There will be number of drives, but C is the by default drive of a computer. So these drives also contain number of folders. So in next videos, we are going to see about how to create a new folder in desktop Windows 10.